Hey guys, Mariah Gates, founder and CEO of Accelerated Automation. Sorry that I sound like a frog. I am fighting a cold, but I wanted to get this really valuable tip out to you guys without delay. So what we're going to be talking about today is having a company intranet. As an insurance agency, we have found that most insurance agency owners do not have documented policies and procedures, and we know that that can be time consuming and difficult, but I wanted to give you a really easy resource if your agency runs on Google Workspace. Even if you don't run on Google Workspace, but you choose to set up a Google Workspace, the ability to create a Google site can be used for your intranet. Now, if you are on the Microsoft product suite, you can also use SharePoint. I will say that tool is a little bit has a little bit more of a learning curve to it than Google Sites, but I wanted to show you this resource. So what you're looking at here is just a template. We now offer fractional COO services for insurance agencies, and this is kind of a general template of a starting place that we're using for our agents. So I'm going to walk you through just a little bit of this. So very easily on Google Sites, you are able to insert a variety of different types of information, text box, images, you can embed code or videos. You can also link over folders from your Google Drive. They do have some preset sections that you can implement, which is nice as well. And then you have the ability to create a table of contents. You can put buttons, dividers, spacers, social links. The cloud search is a really cool feature. You're actually seeing that here in this page. It allows you to search all of the information, documents that's inside of your Google Drive. Of course, it will only allow staff access to the folders or files that you have given them permission to see. But a great way to search throughout Google Drive right inside of your company portal. You can embed YouTube videos. This is great because they can be YouTube videos that you've made, but they can also be from other sources. So if you find videos, let's say you are using the Microsoft Suite and you want them to understand how to use Teams, you could find a video on YouTube that works really well and embed that to your company site. And then when your team is looking for resources or training on Teams, they can find that very easily, again, inside of your intranet. So the idea with a company intranet is to create a database where all of the resources and information and tools that you want to provide to your staff are easily accessible in one area. Now, you can see here you can embed calendars, maps, documents, forms, charts, a lot of things. But the nice thing about Google Sites is it's very easy to do. So if I'm here on a page and I just simply click and I want to put in a YouTube, you can see I click on it. I'm going to find the YouTube video. Let's just grab one from our captive to independent channel, and then it's going to embed it. We can drag and resize it, and we can move it around, and it's going to be right here. Very, very easy to do. That's one of my favorite things about Google Sites is it's not hard to learn. You can go over to the pages section and you'll see to add pages, we're just going to go to the bottom, click new page. We're going to give it a title. Click done, and there's my test page. On this test page, I could get kind of started really quick with some blocks here, and I can put in an image if I would like, maybe my company logo, give it a title and some additional content. I'm going to go back to pages, and maybe I want to add a sub page. Now I'll give you an example here. We have a training page that has sub pages for new hires, sales, customer service, technology, all these different areas of training. So when I'm inside of a main page, I just click on the three dots to add a sub page, and then I can make that sub page very easily and click done, and there it is. Now you can continue to do this. You can see on the plus you can do embedding and menus. There's lots of different features. You can even pick a different theme for your site so it has different colors. As I was adding those pages, it was adding it right up here to the top menu bar, making navigation through the portal extremely easy for your agency as well. So really love this resource. Sorry, I think my voice is going to give out on me. But I highly encourage you guys to take time to document your processes and your procedures, put those into standard operating procedures, make training videos and resources. For example, we even have a carrier section where you would go in and you'd want to have the area for each of the carriers that you work with, and then you can even have that drill down into auto insurance, helpful information, home insurance, and a variety of things so you can put in links, articles from the carrier. But again, this is things you want your staff to have easy access to. This is a great way to do it, and Google Sites is free if you use Google Workspace. Now, once you click the Publish button up here on the top right corner, you're going to create a URL, and you can keep that site within your workspace organization, so within your company, or you can share it out publicly to anyone that has the link. So depending on how you want to share this site externally, I wouldn't recommend using Google Sites necessarily for your insurance website that you're going to have out. You're going to want something a little bit more complex and allowing you to grow and collect information. But Google Sites, absolutely wonderful for a company intranet. I hope this short video was helpful. If you are struggling to create your agency procedures, or you're looking for some operations consulting or help, please reach out to us at acceleratedautomation.net. We do have limited spots available for our fractional COO services, but we would love to speak with you.